Okay, so this is the Dragon's Blood by Rodial, the sculpting gel. I love this stuff. It has been like my holy grail for years. Everything about it is amazing, from the packaging to the product itself, to the way it smells. It plumps your skin, so it kind of is like a liquid Botox. We love that we don't have to dip our fingers in a tube because that's gross. I love the packaging. It smells, it doesn't smell like anything else besides this product. Only this product smells this way. It's super rich, hydrating. It goes on beautifully under makeup. I use it morning and night. I mean, it feels like silk on your skin. And that's gonna all absorb. I can't even describe the smell to you. There's nothing else that smells this way. It smells like dragon's blood. I really, really cannot live without this. If you have never tried it before, this is, I would say, Rodial's best product. I mean, it's amazing. So give it a try. I have sensitive skin. It does not bother my skin at all. It doesn't make me break out. It's amazing. So the Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel by Rodial.